This is a tutorial on the advantages of using an assignment block to list homework assignments on a page in your Haiku website. What I've got is I've created a page for my Unit 8 circular motion unit, and I've put a bunch of stuff on here already, pictures, some video, example problems, and so on. And what I'd like to do now is put on some homework assignments. So what I'm going to do is I want those homework assignments to show up here on this Unit 8 page and also on my calendar. But I don't want to have to enter the assignment twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the assignment block. Let's go back to pages here. I'm going to use the assignment block to get that done, to get the assignment in both places with only entering it once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add Content Block, and I've got various types of content blocks I can add. These aren't the ones I'm interested in. What I'm interested in is over here where it says Connect and Assess. I click on this, and I've got different types of blocks that I can put in, and one of them is called Assignments. So the only type of block, the only type of addition I can make to this is a homework or an assignment addition to this block. So I'll call this Unit 8 Homework. And I'm going to place the block at the top of the page. And what I can do now is add an assignment to this. So title of the assignment, I don't know, let's call it Chapter 8 Reading. And I'm just making something up here. And details of the assignment, read pages 245 through 56. Answer focus questions. On page, I don't know, 257. Great. There's my assignment. I've created the assignments for all my sections of physics. We'll say it's due the next day. Today's the 28th, so I'll make this due the 29th. Time really doesn't matter. Don't concern yourself about the time. You can't get rid of it either, unfortunately. But I was just making 8:30 in the morning, and I just tell my kids, not to worry about it. I've never used the Dropbox. I'm not, maybe this year, but not yet. And then I want to show this in the assignment blocks, and I'm already entering it into my Unit 8 homework block, assignment block. I'm not going to put it in another block, although I could. I've got other blocks set up for my other chapters, and I don't have anything to attach, so I'm just going to go ahead and save this. I forgot I'm using an inactive class here. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I want to go ahead and save this. So I can see that this is now listed in that assignment block. Here's my block, Unit 8 Homework, and I've got my first assignment listed under here, Chapter 8 Reading. I'm going to save this, and there's my Unit 8 Homework block. And if I go to my calendar and go to August 28th, there it is. It showed up in my homework on my calendar also. As long as I utilize that block, I can go ahead and it'll enter in both places with just one assignment entry. Let's go ahead and enter another assignment. We're going to make this assignment due on the 30th. I just click on here. I do a quick add. Let's say I'm going to do assignment here, circular motion. Worksheet number 1. Okay, I'm going to add that. I'm going to add this as an assignment. Right now it's an event. I don't want it as an event. I use events kind of like tests or quizzes. That's an event. lab that we're going to do in class. That I would consider an event. I'm not going to make it an announcement. I'm going to make it an assignment. Complete the worksheet. For all sections, due date is the 30th. Again, I just do it at 8:30 a.m. all the time. You can pick whatever time you want. I'm not going to use the Dropbox. And here I get a selection of show it in an assignment block. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. I'm going to show it, this assignment in an assignment block. And I'm going to choose the Unit 8 homework block. So it'll show up there. I'm not going to show another block. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to attach the worksheet. So I'm going to choose a file. And where the heck is... there's my worksheet number 1. Now normally I would enter this, I would turn this into a PDF file, and I would put it in as a PDF file. That way no one can mess with it and change things and put it back up there. But for now, it works the same way. You choose the file that you want. It downloads. And there it is. Files. Attachment options. This is really just how it shows when you click on the assignment. I usually show it as a downloadable file. Save. And I'm going to save that, and there it is. It pops up there. And if we look back at our page, go to that Unit 8 page, oops, there it is. So I entered it once, and there's my assignment. It goes into both places at the same time. I only have to enter once. It's kind of nice. If you look at my different chapters, what I've got is for each chapter, I've got a list of the assignments for that chapter. If anyone's absent, misses a chapter, some long-term absence, or if you're looking for, hey, what did I do on that day? It's right there. What did I do in that chapter? It's all right there as a list in the Unit 2 homework. So, hopefully this helps. Good luck with Haiku. If you got any questions, come see me.